Hey guys, it's Deborah from Time is Jewel by Deborah. We are on fun box number 4. This is the lightest box I think I've ever received. I've had 15-piece jewelry boxes that have been heavier than this. So this is Swanee, Georgia. I received it 12/7, and they taped the bazooka out of this. So it's going to take me a minute to open it. Alright, let's see. So I hope everyone's doing really well. I'm doing fantastic, and thank you to my new subscribers, and welcome. We had a lot of growth this year, and it's all due to you guys, so thank you. All right. Oh, gift of thrift. So that's a $25 off coupon for a purchase of $30 or more. And it's not good on rescues and for your first time only, so I can't use it. Alright, so this box I ordered December 2nd, and it is a fun box. Alright, you guys. Won't be able to save that paper too much. Alright. Wow, that is some colorful box. Wow. Alright. I'm going to move this closer. Alright, it looks like an interesting lot. So, gotta go with the socks. Out of print, book worn well library card. Wouldn't this be perfect for a librarian? I love it. Those are cute. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It is book theme Yoshi. And it is a wallet. It looks like leather. Has a FID protection in there. It smells like leather, and it's books. Is that not sweet? Wow, that's really nice. I'll have to definitely look that up. So that's great. Zipper works. That's a bonus. All right. Then we've got to be a Vera Bradley, right? Yes, a Vera Bradley little heart. You put a picture in there, a little picture frame, so you can carry it on your keychain. That is sweet. I've never seen one of those. Alright. Then we've got a Breast of Both Worlds reversible 2 bras in one. So it is brown on one side and black on the other. It is by Spanx. Yes, nice. Spanx. Excellent. Let's see what size it is. Should be written on there. Black and barley, comfort bra, and it's a 1X. That's like fantastic. Wow, Spanx. I love this box. All right, this looks like Vera Bradley. It is. Look it. It's a little. This I might keep for myself because my desk area is a mess, and I use so many Post-its, so I might keep this. If I do decide to sell it, I'll pop prices up. Vera Bradley. Okay, palm packs. So this looks like it probably goes on a belt or somewhere you carry it, and it's just a little backpack. At first I saw it and I said, what is that for? I thought maybe it was for carrying dog treats or something, or for maybe a doll. I'm not sure. I'll definitely have to look that up. It's really cute. Alright, we got a scarf. This is really pretty. So I am looking to see if there's any maker's mark, but isn't that beautiful? Now this is screaming Japanese to me. The design, it is beautiful. Yeah, I don't see a tag. It could be polyester, but that is really beautiful. And you guys know I have family. My son is stationed in Japan, so this is really pretty. So I will definitely do a little research on that. Okay, this is the strangest headband I think I've ever gotten. Biana Carvey. I don't know if I could wear that, you guys. So it is teal with beads. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do it. You guys made me. I should make that my thumbprint. My thumbprint. I should make that my thumbnail. Wow, I've never heard of her. I'll have to look it up. But interesting. It's kind of weird. Look at this beaded purse. That's sweet. It is stiff as could be. It is not marked. 100% dry clean only. Shirty, maybe, I think it says inside. So it's like a canvas and beaded. That is really pretty. Alright. And it looks like the last item is LKI. This is a strange box. Alright. Alright, you guys. Maybe this should be my thumbnail. Are you ready for this? Look, I look like a Christmas tree. They're green. Okay. Lockbee, and they're green. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Alright. Well, I'll definitely have to do some research on them. I've never heard of that, but there's a lot of things I haven't heard of. So, alright. What do you guys think? Strange box, huh? So, I will definitely look these up. They're green. Fashion glasses. At least they're new, and they don't look like they have any scratches. They might be a little dirty, but I'll definitely give that a peek. So that's 1, 2, 3. Maybe I should put that on and maybe I'll do that. Okay. This will be my new thumbnail. You guys ready? Hold on. Hold on. Just wait. There's more. Okay. Oh, you guys. Well, this is a very interesting box for sure. So, yeah, I don't know. It's good though. We got some fun things I can look up. This little backpack's cute. This is adorable. Oh my gosh, Yoshi, and it definitely feels like leather. It smells like leather. That is gorgeous. We got the cute little picture holder. We got the paper. We got the Spanx, and we got the book socks. All right, you guys. Well, thanks for hanging out with me and enjoying a little bit of my crazy world. So I want to thank you guys, and as always, be well and take care of yourselves. And don't forget, there will be a green screen at the end if you guys would like to purchase any of these items. Information is down below. And don't forget to tell someone you love them today. All right, you guys. I'll talk to you later.